Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to quickly show you how to bypass the Grub rescue problem after deleting the Linux based OS. First, reboot the device. So as you can see, uh, the Grub menu here. So what you need to do is quickly reboot the device again, holding your power down key, and then enter your Windows BIOS screen. In my case, quickly pressing F2 multiple times will get me to BIOS screen. Go to boot option priorities. In this boot option number 1, change it to Windows, and boot option number 2, disable, so that Arch Linux, in my case it was Arch Linux, so it is disabled now. Come to save and exit, save changes, save configuration, and yes. Now boot override to Windows Boot Manager. So guys, I'm gonna show you after restarting it again. Now it won't give the Grub rescue problem. This method is just for a temporary solution, but you won't face any problem in the future. So guys, here it is. It's not giving Grub rescue screen. It's directly booting into the Windows system. So guys, thank you for watching and being here. This is my first upload, so please subscribe and like this video to support for more content. Thank you and see you in the next one.